Now here we have a user that's asking if we can access the application from a cell phone or a tablet. App Builder does support creating mobile web applications. Now, Apex web apps are browser-based apps that run inside the browser on the mobile device. You can build apps for mobile devices with mobile-specific design patterns. And Universal Theme is a theme that supports responsive web apps that are going to render depending on the device that they are viewed on. So let's take a look at mobile web apps. And after viewing this demonstration, you should know how to create a mobile web app. In order to do that, I'm going to go back to App Builder, and I'm going to go to my demo app. And we'll go ahead and run page 2, which is the report page with the employee's report. I'll go ahead and run it so you can see what it looks like by default. Now, if you would like to see what this is going to look like on a mobile device, what you can do is you can press the F12 key. And you'll notice down here I have this little icon where I can click on it for responsive design mode. And this allows me to see what the application is going to look like with the phone turned this way. And if I wanted to rotate that, this is what it'll look like when the phone is turned the long way. And you can change your resolution here as well. And you'll notice that there are several different selections to choose from. For instance, if you have an iPhone 12 Pro, let's go ahead and do this one here. That's what it's going to look like with that rotation. And it's going to look like this with this rotation. So now what you can do is you can change your template. So let me go ahead and close this page. And I usually get little blurb at the top of my page that tells me that I have to reload the page at this point. If you get that, go ahead and reload your page. But what I can do is edit the page, and I can change my report template. I'm going to click on Employees. And instead of the classic report, what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a column toggle report. And that is a type that is more mobile friendly. And, well, I wouldn't say more mobile friendly, but, gives you different options for mobile friendly reports. And let's go ahead and run that. And you'll notice that in this case, you can choose which columns you want to see. And for instance, if I don't want to see the cell column, I can go ahead and remove that or reselect it. But let's go ahead and hit the F12 key again. And we'll see what that looks like on a mobile device. And you notice on the iPhone 12, it's got this ability here as well for removing some of those columns out of there. And so just different options for how you want that to display on your mobile device.